is lint buildup. Okay, the closest one is this one, but anyway, so you can see from this picture that there's basically, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about this Samsung all-in-one washer and dryer combo kit. If your all-in-one washer and dryer combo kit, remember, it's the combo kit, the all-in-one unit. If it's not drying your clothes and there's still a little bit damp, even at the end of the cycle, and you've ran the more dry option, just like I say in all the other videos, well, this video might just be for you. So stay tuned, let's watch it all the way through, that way you guys can get the best service for your washer and dryer combo kit. Let's get to it, let's see if we can fix it. Also, don't forget to hit that like button for me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one. Stay tuned. As you can tell from all the other videos that I've done for you guys, I have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm just kidding. I really just try to help you guys. I'm not a professional. I'm really just trying to do my best job as an average, ordinary person. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go over the reasons why your Samsung all-in-one washer and dryer combo kit isn't drying your clothes all the way through. Like, it's still hot, but they're still a little bit damp. Or like, I took a pair of my pants out. Like the bottom of my pants were still a little bit wet, but the middle was completely dry. Or the waistband, which is the most annoying thing ever. Maybe it was a little bit wet, or a little bit damp. And it wasn't really wet, it was just damp. So they're just not completely dry. There is something, I think, that is maybe needs to be fixed, okay? And I'm gonna go into that later, so make sure you watch this video all the way through. That way we can get to the bottom of what this is causing, what's causing this problem. Okay, so first things first, it is, if you have not cleaned the drain filter down below, okay, that's going to be your very first thing. Clean the drain filter down below. It's right down here. Follow my other video. I will link it down in the description below for a full detailed process on how to clean this drain filter, okay? You want to clean that first, all right? Okay, that's step number one. Clean the drain filter at the bottom behind the left-hand detergent dispenser. Okay, number two is to clean the heat exchanger. Okay, the heat exchanger, pull the lint filter out here. I've done a video on this one too, right down in the description below. A laundry list, no pun intended, a laundry list of the items or the videos that you need are down in the description below. I actually have a washing machine playlist, that might help you guys too. Heat exchangers on the inside. You're gonna need a soft bristled brush, just like this one, to get that out, okay? A link to this is down in the description below. I've tried multiple ones of these. Get away. Get away. There's a wasp. Oh, sorry. Oh. I think I'm ADHD, I don't know. Anyway, you want to use soft bristle brush, maybe wet it a little bit, but soft bristle brush, links down in the description below. Put it inside in there, right? Gently pull it out. You're going to get more lint. I've done a video on that one too, down in the description below. Okay, so what you're trying to do is get all the lint out of the heat exchanger and don't damage the fins. You don't need to press on it hard, just be really gentle, okay? Again, video down below. I know I'm going to get a lot of comments that say, is the video in the description below? Yes, it is. I didn't want to take the top off of this machine, nor take it apart because it's under warranty. So if you're having this problem and you haven't fixed this, okay, next thing, okay, you call your warranty place, okay? Call Samsung, get them to come out. If it's under warranty, there's no sense in you doing it. Because if you turn a screw on this thing, you void your warranty. I'm telling you, don't do it unless it's out of warranty and you are responsible for that, okay? It's not my responsibility, it's yours if you do it, okay? But, take a brush like this, okay? Look inside here, all right? On the right-hand side, there's a big cavity. And it's probably got lint in there too. So you want to brush like this, bend it however you see fit, okay? Just start brushing all that out, okay? Just brush it out. Get as much of it as you can, okay? All right, so here's the other thing. I had the Samsung tech guy come out today because like I said, I didn't want to void this warranty, okay, by taking it apart. Could I have? Probably, but I don't want to void the warranty. Okay. Here's what we found. That is lint buildup. Okay, he let me take a picture. He let me take a picture. Not took a picture. He let me take a picture. Okay, I'm gonna put that picture right here. Okay, I'm gonna blow it up for you guys so that you can see. But basically, on the inside of the unit, again, don't take it apart unless you assume full responsibility. If it's under warranty, just call Samsung. Get them to come out and fix it. Okay, or you could possibly follow these steps that might fix your problem. So we have tons of lint that was not caught in the lint filter. So you could take a big brush like this. You could try to get all the way through, get down in there, but basically inside of here, about this far in, I don't know how to measure that, but this brush will not reach it. Okay, the brush is too not long enough. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy this kit right here for a Dyson, if you have a Dyson, or I'll try to find some for other brands and link those down in the description below. But basically, it's a long vacuum hose that's very flexible. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take it right through here, okay, all the way to the back and to the right-hand side, you'll see a little opening. You're gonna shove that hose all the way in, and you're gonna vacuum all of that out. You know, I bought all these Samsung or Dyson products, but none of them are what I really need for this job. The closest one is this one, but anyway, so you can see from this picture that there's basically a long tube that comes out, and that's where the airflow goes to. It comes out, and then it dips down to go down into where the drain is for the bottom. So on the back inside, it goes to like where the drain area is, and all of that heat basically turns into water. That way it can get pumped out. That's why you've got to clean out your drain pump. Okay, so that heat is supposed to go back in there. Well, all the lint's not supposed to go to. It's supposed to get caught by the lint filter, but it's not doing that. So back in the very back, there's this opening, again, in the picture. Again, don't take it apart because you may void your warranty, but if you can reach it with a long hose, like something like this, and like a long flexible hose like this, okay, and that's what I'm going to put in the description, is like maybe you could take this hose, and I can't fit it in there, but that's why it's got to be nice and thin. So I'm going to put it in there. It's got to be really thin for this to work. So that's why the hose is very thin, but you stick it all the way in there, all the way to the back, and then you're going to push it down. And that's where, like, so this came from the inside, like right behind here, right here. Okay, this other wet garbage came from the back, and basically it clogged those three little places in the very back. So when airflow was trying to get through there, it couldn't make it, so it was just causing it to back up. Okay, so basically that's what we came to the conclusion of. So if it's not that, you need to call Samsung support. That's it, guys. So it's really like three things: clean your lint filter on the inside, on the right side, clean your heat exchanger, clean your drain pump, and then you're gonna have to get, I don't know how you check this. You could use, oh, I know, you could use listen, didn't even dawn on me that I have one of these things that you can, I don't even know what they're called anymore, but basically it's just a little camera with a light on it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stick this in there. Well, listen. You all get the picture. basically there's just probably going to be debris back in there, and I can't seem to get the angle just right, but the picture that I'm going to show you here, again, it shows you exactly what you're looking for, but that's why you're going to need a long, slim hose that you can shove back in there, so it just goes in that corner and then straight down. And if you can shove that down in there, you could probably get a lot of this lint out. If you could open it up without voiding your warranty, I would say do that, but I'm going to recommend you don't open it up. If it's under warranty, call a Samsung rep. But basically, that's what we found. The lint had caused those 3 places right here to block, and it wasn't getting enough airflow in order to dry the clothes all the way. So, anyway, if you guys try this, let me know down in the comment section below. I don't recommend you taking the top off because it was very complicated. There's a lot of clips and stuff inside, and if you break something, you may be liable for that outside of your warranty. It may break your warranty or void it, and I don't want that to happen to you guys, so don't do it. But again, let me know down in the comment section below if this helped fix yours. You may just have a lot of lint buildup that's causing the circulation to just be very minimal, therefore not drying your clothes the best. So, hope you guys like this video. I hope it's really helped you guys. If it did, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if it worked for you. Subscribe to my channel and give me one of these big thumbs up for me. Thank you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And Christ is King.